I'm here at a little street restaurant here where these guys are whipping up what I've got in front of me here. It is chancho con yuca, which is just like pretty much pork with yuca, with like the root vegetable. We've got a little bit of sort of chili kind of mix on top here with some cabbage as well. Your chancho, your pork, which is really nice marinated pork, you can see here. And it's all, one of the best parts is it's all stacked on top of a banana leaf, which really gives it a kind of tropical feel, tropical exotic feel, you know? And it's delicious. I just started eating some just now. Yeah, so super happy with these guys, these fellas for helping us out here. Yeah, I'm about to go check out the Museum of the Revolution. There was a massive revolution here in Nicaragua, lasted for a good 20 years or something, where there was a fella, the president was assassinated and all sorts of crazy stuff was going on. So I'm going to go check that out soon. If you ever come to Leon, this is what you want, chancho con yuca.